Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to do technical analysis on them, show where I would open these trades on Sunday morning. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Market not moving much. Bitcoin having just sideways movement over the weekend in the last 3 days. My trade from yesterday activated. Bitcoin came down. Broke through that my trade activation at 42924, activated and bounced back up to 4326, and then pulled back to the trade activation, and now we're slightly above the trade, slightly in profits, which is beautiful. You can see that Bitcoin is just having there's a very particular channel here. Bitcoin is it's a rising broadening wedge, everyone. This is a rising broadening wedge, which is a broadening megaphone pattern, which is actually a bearish pattern. Bitcoin is still following my red dotted line that I drew on. When did I draw it? First day I drew it was on the 29th of January, and now we're still following this red dotted line here. It looks like Bitcoin is sideways moving in this slight channel here. You can see here we've got a bit of a channel on Bitcoin the last maybe 5 days. Bitcoin doesn't seem to be able to break through 43,000. It's finding it hard to break through the last 3 days through 43,299, which I find interesting. And the support line, we could say the support line is on the month. You can see here it keeps touching in the shorter term time frame. It keeps, so we're talking like very short term channel. We've got this kind of channel here. Bitcoin is moving between these two trend lines. Let's make them blue lines actually. So I'll draw a horizontal here. Horizontal, and I'll draw another horizontal here. So I would just trade these two blue lines pretty much. These two horizontal lines that Bitcoin is trending between. I would just keep trading this channel. So every time Bitcoin came down here, I would open a long to the top of the channel, which we could say even it would come to here, the top of the channel. Longer term, my trade target is 60K. For the long term, my trade target is 49K, 60K, on 61K on the second to third impulse. But for the short term trading, this is the trades that I would take. On the long term, it opens at 42872, stop loss 42810, take profit 44,500, 49, and 61. That's on Bitcoin trade. Risk to reward, so opening at 42,872, stop loss 42,810, risk to reward 300 times. 300 risk to reward ratio, risking $62 to make $18,724 per Bitcoin without leverage. $62, nowhere else in the world, like literally, there is nowhere in any place on earth that you could, only trading you could do this, only leverage trading. There is no way you could risk $62 to make $18,000 anywhere else in the world. Only on leverage trade you could do this. So risking $62 to make $18,724 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $187,000. 100x leverage will be $1.8 million. But that's for the longer term setup. The short term, I would just do these two trades. I would long off. I'm just going to leave this video on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I'll quickly release it. I'm just going to long off the bottom of the support to the blue target where we get rejected. And then I would short Bitcoin from that blue channel back down until we break out of this channel. Bitcoin just moving, chopping sideways. So you can see that. So this is a long. It opens at 42. Long means buy to go up. As I teach in the crypto master course, you can learn this in more detail. It opens at 42873. Stop loss is 42. Sorry, it opens at 42872. Stop loss 42841. And take profit is at 43. So you can see it's just trading here between 42,800. 43 is where it takes profit. Then it goes short. Stop loss is above it at 43,463. The trade opens short 43,400, and then going short to go here. And I would just keep doing these trades over and over until Bitcoin moved out of the channel. But my long-term target is still that 44, 49, and $61,000 targets. So those are the trades I would take on Bitcoin. Again, this is a longing from the bottom to go up in this channel that we're in for the last few days. And then once it reaches there, shorting to come down, and then just rinse and repeating, shorting, longing in this channel till we break out between this blue channel. But the longer term setup is this one. I'll share these three trades inside the Telegram. If you want to trade like you see me do, underneath the video, go down below, underneath the video on your phone. One is the exchanges. Bybit gives you a 30,000 US dollar bonus when you use this link. These are the exchanges you can use. Guru courses. Take the Crypto Master course to learn in-depth technical analysis. These 3 courses are around 30 hours of courses. And join the Telegram. There's 9,000 of the traders together. My Bitcoin trade is currently, I'm still long. It's currently $43,315 in the profits, 350%. $11,964 already collected profits, $43,000 in profit, and its funding fee 0.01. Funding fee is back. This account 509,000, not much movement in there. That's my update quickly on Bitcoin. And I'll do another video in 12 hours. I'll release this one quickly for Bitcoin, these 3 trade setups. And in a few hours, I'll do another video on Ethereum. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, Sunday with your family. Have an amazing day. Good morning, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.